You weren't kidding about it. It might be messy.
Hey.
So what are you doing? You're draining the engine, is that correct?
Yes, this is coolant.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to keep it off the floor. It's fine.
What do you use to clean the floor?
Pig mat.
Okay.
All the absorbent stuff, I got a bunch there. I got some over there.
Oh, okay.
It's that blue stuff. It works real good.
Obviously not as easy to clean as the new epoxy, right?
No, but this has been power troweled, which is what they do when they, right after they pour it.
Oh.
Which is why it looks like it's polished.
Oh, okay.
And I have never done anything to this floor but spill on it. I've never power washed it. I've only swept it up and spot cleaned it. All right, I'm gonna lower it down, and I'm gonna pull the headers and manifolds. And yes, these are aftermarket headers.
As a side comment, what color is that chair?
It's teal.
Yeah.
It's teal. That's all there is to it.
I thought it was green. Okay,
No,
that's
it's
all.
teal.
Okay.
Teal is not green.
Okay.
Definitely trying not to break anything here.
Yeah. I was just checking to see if anything was breaking, but nope, just something fell.
All right, now I need these out. Before I do that, I gotta lower it down and check to make sure the oxygen sensor wires are disconnected. Let's see here. Oxygen sensors are here. Oh, they are still. I don't even know what I've got left to do here besides coolant. I'll probably knock everything else out while I'm here. A couple hoses. AC is already disconnected. Power steering is disconnected. Engine harness is disconnected. That hose is good. Let's see, our fuel line is disconnected. All right, this needs to come out. Oh no, I should have taken that out when I was before. All right. Let's see, I have the throttle cable. No, that's already done. I don't remember what I've done and what I haven't done. I've worked on it so long. It's been so long since I worked on it. Evap, what is this? Is that disconnected? No. This off. That goes all the way back there. It's tucked in there. See, I got the fuel line over here.
Why does it make you mad?
Because it won't stop being broken. I spent more time with this car working on it than I have sitting in the driver's seat driving it.
This is a fact.
I don't like that. This is not supposed to be a long-term project, but I bought a problem child from somebody that wanted to dump it, and I should have seen all the red flags.
So you're taking the engine out, and then what's your
Replacing it. It's getting a new engine.
What type of engine is gonna go in it?
Well, the same kind that's in it, but not broken.
Oh. Okay.
I'm not up for any more big swaps. I've lived that life. I'm over that.
Okay.
Yeah. I know that sounds boring.
You've lived that. All right, let's get that in writing.
Yeah, until I change my mind next month. This is a tool everyone should have, but not everyone does.
What is it?
This is a radiator hose pick.
Oh, where did you get yours?
In a bunch of parts from a bunch of tools. I bought a lot of tools from a shop that closed down, and this was in it.
Oh.
Probably 15, 20 years ago. Oh, I see there's a hose on the bottom I need to disconnect. And then we're pretty much down to the mounts. I don't want to do it anymore. I just want to work on it and get it done. It's much better having a cameraman Or woman.
A camera, oh.
Alright. It's probably not gonna leak.
Probably not gonna leak as I scoot back.
Yeah, I mean, I would scoot back too, but
That sounded great.
it's fine. Oh, okay, well, I need more of this action. It's off.
Yay.
Back down and take this off the top. But while I'm down here, we're gonna get the exhaust manifolds out of the way. This one, wait, what? That's all I needed. Let's see, and then there's another O2 sensor. Should be 1, 2. Is there only, no, there's the other one. Alright, so I need to figure out how to get, actually,
Okay, exhaust bracket in the way until you
you
take
don't
it out.
have to do this, but if you want to pull the exhaust, it makes it a lot easier.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Rather get it out of the way rather than having to keep going back up and down.
Yeah, I mean, this will allow me to get the exhaust down now.
Yeah.
See, and I'm going to take those and throw them back in where they go so that I don't lose track of where the bolts go.
I was just wondering how you keep track of that.
I usually thread things right back where they come from, unless it's going to get damaged by what I'm doing. In this case, it won't. And this has to come out of one of these sides, but not both. And I can come off that. So that means that this one's going to come off first. And we have... Will you quiet lift? Oh, you're doing that again?
Uh-oh. Oh. I like saw that out of the corner of my eye, you know?
Yeah. And so it has to happen sometimes.
So third time is a charm, right?
Yeah.
Third time
The
taking
final
it out.
time. If this other engine doesn't work, I'm gonna put some other engine in here or sell the car. 'Cause I don't have time to keep doing the same thing for no benefit, no gain. That's the definition of insanity.
Yep. It's taking you
I'm not sour.
No.
I'm scorned. It's different. The clutch hydraulics are the bane of my existence on this car. They're easy to take off, but they're really a pain to go back together. I should tie to the side. I'm just doing a once-over. I think it's just clutch hydraulics and mounts. I'm gonna go down just a hair so that I can reach it. Well, the clutch line is kind of in the way. Yeah, I'm gonna put the light up there here.
Haha.
It'd help if I was on the bolt. Alright, there's one loose. This one is the one that I have to go by feel.
And this is the hydraulic.
It's the clutch clutch slave cylinder.
Oh, never mind.
It's the part of the hydraulic system for the clutch.
Oh, okay.
Just go on, go to your home, come on. Here, let's try this. No. You know what? I have a better tool for this. This extension is a little overkill.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's at least it fits in there.
Does the job just fine now. It would help if I was going the right way. There's one. Can I have the bolt, please? Okay. I'm gonna get the other one, and then I can support it with the table. I think we're ready to drop it, like it's cold.
I was gonna say, drop it like it's hot,
Yeah,
except it's not.
it's not. It's very cold.
Okay, got the table ready, and then you just lower it onto the table.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on top of this thing. To move those hoses out of the way. How's that handle with the rear bumper? That's a concern I have. Yeah, that'll do it.
Okay. I was gonna say it's hard.
I'm gonna have to watch this, but I think we're gonna be okay because we have a short distance to go to the top of that. I think we'll be just fine. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is slide it up. These are the bolts that hold the cradle to the car. I'm just going to set these in here. I just don't want to lose any of the hardware. And then I get to go underneath and got a couple bolts and bundle bundle. Yep. Oh, I pulled the stud out this time. That's bizarre. All right, she's not connected to the car anymore.
Ooh. Okay.
I don't know why that came out that way. I'm not happy about it, but it did. Well, there's only one thing left to do: put the car off the engine.
Okay.
I'm gonna bump it up a little bit. I'm gonna see what we get caught on. My guess is some things are gonna get caught. I'm gonna need to put a piece of wood in the back of it to support the transmission.
So that supports the transmission.
It's going to. I think I'm gonna have to do it a little different. Yeah, I need to get blue in there.
Blue.
Where's
the star of the show? That's what everyone was asking about last time for blue.
Yep. Well, blue helps me out all the time. That's fine. Don't look at that. This ain't going so good. I might need my big pry bar. Tell me how to use my knee. What if smaller one? Does not work. Not that I thought it would very well, but I just gotta get this in there. I'm gonna get my hammer. We're gonna tap that in.
Just tap it in. Can you
That's good enough for government work.
Can you say that again about a tappy tap?
Nope.
Okay. Darn it, I missed it.
All right. Any day now. confused. Does this go to the car? We're gonna find out. What?
I'm nervous. I'm good.
What are you nervous for?
Then I'm gonna hear a big boom.
There's not gonna be a big boom.
Okay.
I do need to get a hose off the coolant reservoir though. It's a lot easier to do when the engine's not in here, getting this hose off.
Which hose is that?
This is one of the coolant hoses that go to the reservoir.
Oh.
If it wants to come off, I should say. It's fuel.
I was like, I can smell it.
Yeah, it's just gasoline, it's fine. Perfect. Go here.
Yep, it looks happy.
The lump is out.
Yes. Wow.
Never to go back in this car. I just gotta swap everything over now.
That's...
It's out. Time to go sleep.
Okay, good night. Is anything going to spray at me if I get closer?
Well, I might.
What?
It's fine.
A lot bigger than I thought it would be.
That's what she said.